here last year. I had knives thrown at me. Something just threw them at me. I don't know what it was. Here's some things coming from the back of the house, so I'm gonna go check it out of here banging. It's freezing. I'm gonna get those down. They must be falling. Yeah, that's what's making the noise. They're falling. Look at that. These things are noisy. Oh, did you guys hear that? I heard something coming from the garage. It's so cold out here. There's probably an animal in the garage. Come on, let's go. I haven't been in the garage in a long time. Look at that. It's a mess. Do you hear that? You hear that? There's like a banging. I don't know if I should go in here. Oh my god, it's so... Oh my god, it looks just like it. That's impossible. Snow out here. I'm a little apprehensive about this. There's a garage. I really don't want to do this, but I have to. It's been bugging me. Put the tripod over here. Let's take a look. Hey, anybody in here? Oh, guys, it's so creepy in here. It's old. If you've been following all the videos, I inherited this house from my aunt, and it's really old. Look at this. She was a really old woman. Look at this. Look at those old New York license plates. Look at that. World's Fair. It's crazy. The lens is wet. Maybe I should go further in here and see what we got. I swear I haven't been in here. I just looked in once a long time ago. I never went back there. This is... That's crazy. That knife just missed me. It came from that way. Another one. 2 knives. Oh, it smells bad in here. I'm out of here. It took a lot of courage to come back in here and clean up. But I've been cleaning up. I don't know if you can see. It's really still creepy in here. I see you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Come here. You trying to get... Huh? You want to get in here? Siberia, I thought it was paranormal activity. It's you. So me and Siberia here, we're hoping that the power doesn't go out tonight. We're getting blasted by a snowstorm, right, Sib? If any paranormal activity happens, I have a full charge on this camera. The battery's charged, right, Sib? Okay, buddy? Okay. It's creepy out here. It's still snowing. I gotta get the snowblower out of there. The snow's gonna pile up. It's dark in there. Oh, I gotta lift this up. Whoa! Oh my God! That was Rin and she had a knife in her hand. Oh God, it was big. Hey guys, if you like ghost videos, subscribe. If your friends like ghost videos, tell them to subscribe. This is where you'll find the coolest ghost videos on my channel. Check it out. You'll see my life, you'll see my hauntings, and you'll just see strange, weird, mysterious videos. New videos will be coming out every week, and they're gonna get cool.